morning, children. Today is your unit test of lesson 2, the flying kites. So I am going to give you some questions. So do it neatly in your notebook. Time is 1 hour and mark is out of 20. So do it neatly and slowly. So here goes the first question. Label the parts of a bird given below. Can you see a bird? Yes. So there are many parts given in the box. Can you see? Leg, head, tail, wings, eye, beak, feather. Now you have to say which part is the correct one. You have to give the number. So number 1, which part it is. Number 2, which part it is. Okay. Number 3, which part it is. So for example, number 1, I will give the answer head. Number 1 is head. Like that you have to find out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? Now next one is, can you see a bird, children? Yes. What you have to do means you have to describe this bird. So complete the description with the words given in the box. You can see fly, eyes, nest, beak, wings, beautiful, colorful. You can see the words given in a box. Now you have to fill up these words, suitable words in the sentence. It is a dash bird. The bird has a small dash. It has 2 dash. It has dash feathers. It can dash. Its dash helps to fly. Birds make their dash on the tree. So you pick out the correct words from the box and write there. Clear? Now next one is, you can see that read the sentences and write it in the correct box below. See, there are some sentences given in a box, right? And you can see that the box is divided into little bird and Meenu. The first example is given to you. That is, what is the bird doing? You have to write that sentence under the bird box. What is Meenu doing? You have to write it under the box of Meenu. For example, the wings are wet. It shows that the little bird's wings are wet. And what is Meenu doing? Took the bird in her hand. So what you have to do means, the next one, what all Meenu said, you have to write it in the Meenu's box. And what all the bird did, what all happened to the bird, you have to write it in the bird box. Like this, you have to arrange it. Clear? Now, the next one is, have you seen this page? Yes, it is the page from your textbook, right? What you have to do means, you have to read it nicely. Okay? You read it nicely and then you have to answer these questions. Here is the question. What did Meenu find under the tree? That is your first question. What did Meenu find under the tree? So you can write the answer by reading this lesson, reading this particular page. Okay, there is answer in that page. Okay, next question. What is the little bird doing? It is, what is, you have to write. What happened to its wings? What happened to its wings? Its wings are, what happened? That you have to write. What did Meenu think about the bird? What did she think of? How dash fly? You have to complete that sentence. How did Meenu hold the little bird? How did she catch the little bird? Meenu held it dash. Complete that sentence. It is in that lesson, that page itself. The answer is in the page itself. So you can copy that answer and write here. How did the little bird cry? How did it make noise? You have to write here. What did Meenu whisper? What did Meenu said to that bird? Slowly whisper means talk slowly. What did that Meenu said to the bird? That is given in that passage. So you have to take down and write the answer here. So this is about your questions. So do it well, children. Best of luck. Thank you.